Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into something that feels straight out of the future, a deep visual exploration of the Tesla Cybercab, also known as the Robotaxi. But we're not just looking at a car, we're stepping into a vision, where technology meets wisdom and design meets destiny. Let's start with the front view. Just take a moment to imagine it. Smooth, clean, sharp LED lights glowing like a pair of focused eyes. The entire shape seems to glide forward, even while standing still. It's not just futuristic, it feels intentional, like it knows where it's going. Now swing around to the back. A perfect curve of light slices through the rear, highlighting Tesla's signature minimalism. No noise, no clutter, just pure design. It almost feels like the car is bowing out gracefully, ready to serve but never to show off. From the side, the body flows like water. It's sculpted for silence and speed. But beside it, imagine a figure, not a driver, a guide, a monk in a glowing robe, not controlling the machine but walking with it, reminding us that wisdom and progress go hand in hand. Zooming into the front again, the details are mesmerizing. Cameras, sensors, lights, all in perfect harmony. It's not about horsepower anymore. It's about smart power. Power that sees, learns, thinks. At the rear, up close, the lights glow like a sunset fading into the night. And there, in the corner of the frame, stands a philosopher, touching the car like it's sacred. Because maybe it is a sacred step towards something better. Inside, the dashboard is from another dimension. No wheel, no clutter, just space, light, thought. A large screen guides the journey, while the atmosphere feels more like a meditation room than a cockpit. And in that space, a traveler sits, not anxious, not distracted, but at peace. The front seats, isolated from the dashboard, give us another perspective. Spacious, intentional. A place not just to sit, but to think, to breathe, to be. Zooming in on the wheels, the story continues. They don't just spin. They carry the weight of progress, of movement, and beside them, a silent observer studies their form, not out of curiosity, but out of respect. And finally, the rear view, with both doors open, inviting, welcoming, ready for anyone bold enough to step inside. And as those doors open, so does possibility. A wise figure stands between them, arms open, like a gatekeeper to the future. The Cybercab isn't just a vehicle, it's a message, a symbol of what happens when design meets vision and when machines are built with intention. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you felt even a spark of something